Good morning and welcome to our unboxing of Warlord Games German Grenadiers for bolt action, in case you hadn't guessed. So let's have a look at what we get inside. Right, so pile of bases, pack of insignia decals, thank you Morella, destruction sheet, gives some information, and 5 lovely sprues. So let's have a closer look at the sprues. Alright, so let's start with the fun bit first, with the posers. So we get a couple of marching posers, one with the Zeitbahn, which is the waterproof tent quarter that could be used, as you can see, as a cover. Two braced posers, a kneeling and another braced pose wearing the Zeitbahn, which is quite an interesting combination. What is interesting is we get 3 with longer smocks and 1 with a shorter. So for the period, late war, those longer smocks can be done in the various camouflage patterns as well. So now let's start at the top. We get an arrangement of heads, some of which have cloth covers. Again, these would be camouflaged. This one has a wire net, and of course officer and soft caps. And we get a collection of arms with open hands, hand grenade, some belt kit, and machine gun ammunition. Captured Russian machine gun, German submachine gun and rifle, more belt kit, another submachine gun, and various open hands, ammunition box for the machine gun, Panzerfaust, Klein Panzerfaust, which is the smaller head, another rifle to be used in the open hands or slung, or being used, another rifle being used. This is the case for the spare machine gun barrel. NCO or officer arms with map and binoculars, rifle and assault rifle being used or carried, and an MG42 being carried. And I'll flip over to make these easier. Get the various belt kits, again in various parts so it's easier to make your own arrangements. Assault rifle being used, and one for use in the open arms, and an MG42 again to go with the open hands. Now what is interesting in this kit is that we get 1, 2, 3, is that we only seem to get 5 rifles for 6 men. One, 2, 3, 4. Oh no, 5 rifles. Yeah, 5. 1, 2. No, someone can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4 rifles for 6 men. So that makes things a little difficult. Thankfully I have some spare rifles for my next build from previous other kits. So, all in all, another wonderful little kit from Warlord. So, and here are some painted versions.